Okay, I'm just going to do one example of where you have to actually solve it because we've been doing that for a while. Here's the example, and again, I look at it and I think, wow, I already have an x by itself. That's awesome. So I'm going to do substitution. This is by itself, so I'm boxing it off. I'm going in my other equation. X is identical to 2y plus 6. So I take the x out and I put a 2y plus 6. I'm going to distribute. I'm going to combine like terms. And then I divide by -1. I get y is equal to 3. Go up into the box, and x is going to be 2 times 3 plus 6. And I get 12 for my answer. So if I were to write that as an ordered pair, it would be 12, 3. And if I plugged that in, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 6 is 12. Here, 2 times 12 is 24, minus 3 times 5, which is 15, and 24 minus 15 is 9. So I know I'm right.